Good morning, student. Today I am going to start again revision of all the chapters, chapter 1, 2, both. First, we are going to start with the non-farm profit organization. Okay, beta? Now, very fast revision we are going to just try to revise you all the topics. Okay, beta? The revision of first chapter, not from profit organization. First, what is the meaning of non-for-profit organization? Not-for-profit organization, the organization which is working or creating for the social welfare work, not for the business. That type of organization mainly work for the social welfare or some work which is related with the society. They are not working for the, or they are not creating for the earning profit. Okay, beta? Next, we are going to have some accounting treatment in this not-from-profit organization. In not-from-profit organization, mainly we are going to make three things or three accounts, two accounts, one statement, receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Receipts and payment account, receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, and third, balance sheet. In this balance sheet, two type of balance sheet. One is opening and second closing. Okay, beta? Opening balance sheet and then closing balance sheet. Okay, beta? First, go for the receipts and payment account. Just see what is the meaning of receipts and payment account. On the place of cash book, we are going to make the receipts and payment account. Okay, beta? On the place of cash book, we are going to make the receipts and payment account. All type of receipts, as like a cash book, all type of receipts when that is related with the current year, last year, or capitalized or revenue, all we are putting on the receipts column, and all type of payment we are going to put on the payment column. Okay, beta? All type of payment we are going to put on the payment column. In receipt column, all things, any type of receipts. Just think like that, any type of receipts. It means if you are receiving in cash, maybe that is related with the next year, last year, advance year, capitalize or revenue. We are going to take in a receipt column, and any type of payment we are going to take in payment column. Okay. Next is income and expenditure account. In this income and expenditure account, it's same like a PL. It's the same like a PL. As like in PL, we are going to take only revenue, income and expenditure, current year income and expenditure, and adjustment utilizing in the time of making of PL. Same way, on the time of making the income and expenditure, some rule is there. First, balance. We didn't take balance, opening or closing. Okay. Second, only current year data we are taking. Only current year. The expense and income which is related with the current year, that data we are going to take. Other data we didn't take. Third, adjustment. All type of adjustment we have done in this question in income and expenditure account. If any adjustment is given, then we are presenting in this income and expenditure account. And last, only revenue things, revenue, income and expenditure we are taking. Okay, beta? 3-4 important things we are taking. Just see the pro forma of income and expenditure account. Just see this side expenditure, this side income. To all expense. Okay? All expense. Only thing that current and in nature of revenue. Okay, and all adjustment. Here by all income same way, current revenue thing adjustment. Okay, all expense current year revenue thing with the adjustment, all income current year revenue thing with the adjustment, and then take the difference. If credit side, this is the debit side, that is credit side, I think well known about that. Credit side bigger than surplus and debit side bigger than deficiency. Okay beta, on this way we are going to make the income and expenditure account beta. Okay, income and expenditure account. Now go for the balance sheet. Two balance sheet we are going to make. One is opening and second is closing. Rule of following that balance sheet or making of balance sheet is the same. Only opening balance sheet we are going to show the all the head which is related with the old year or you say last year, and closing balance sheet all the head which is related with the current year. Okay beta. Now just see the opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet. In this opening balance sheet, we are showing all the assets this side and liabilities this side. Okay, then take the difference, assets minus liability, assets minus liability, then the difference amount is capital fund. Okay beta, this capital fund we are taking in the closing balance sheet, and then we are going to make the balance sheet in same way. All assets first, capital, add profit or surplus, then other liability, all the assets, then same way we are going to make the closing balance sheet also. Okay beta, then go for the some adjustment entries as like a expense and income and showing the special fund. Okay beta, special fund, if any type of special fund is given in the question, then we are going to show this special fund in balance sheet, and all the expense and income which is related with that special fund, that will less our income will add on this fund. Okay beta, if any type of special fund as like a tournament fund, as like a sports fund, okay, then any type of tournament expense is there, then that expense will less from that. That expense will less from that. Okay beta, and any type of income you are receiving with related with the tournament fund, so then that income will add in this tournament fund, and this tournament fund we are going to show in a balance sheet liability side beta. Okay, balance sheet liability side. It means if any type of special fund is given, then the related expense we are going to less from this special fund, and related income we are going to add on this special fund beta. Okay, clear? Then go for the income and expenditure. Any income or expenditure is given. If any income or expenditure is given, okay, then add outstanding of current year, okay, less outstanding of last year, add advance of last year and less advance of current year. Okay, beta? Any type of expense is given or income is given, then add outstanding current year, less outstanding last year, add advance last year, less advance current year. Okay? Clear? On this way, and that amount we are going to show in a income and expenditure account. Some special fund is there, some special expense is there, as like a subscription. Subscription we are going to show in a income and expenditure account. Endorsement fund or any other fund show in a balance sheet. Entry fees, if entry fees is given and no information about the entry fees given in the question, then that entry fees we are going to take in a income and expenditure account. But if any information is given about the capitalize of that entry fees, then that entry fees we are going to take in a balance sheet. Okay, beta? Donation, if any type of donation is given, only donation is given, then that donation we are showing in income and expenditure account. But if any type of special donation is given, then that donation we are going to show in a balance sheet. Okay, beta? If any type of donation is given, then we are going to show that donation in balance sheet, beta. Okay, clear? That donation in balance sheet. Special donation for building, donation for park, donation for any other things. So that is the special donation. Then we are showing that donation in balance sheet, beta. Okay? Then go for the next. It's an adjustment. Clear? Okay, beta? Special fund is clear. If endorsement fund, clear in balance sheet. If legacy in balance sheet. If any type of remuneration or harmonium, that is showing in a income and expenditure account. Okay, beta? On this way we are going to make the different accounting treatment for the different type of non-from-profit organization. Okay, beta? On this basis we are going to take the questions. Same way, if any expense is there or income is there, less this income, just show this income on income side and then add outstanding current year, less outstanding last year, add advance current year, less advance, add advance last year, less advance current year. If depreciation is there, so that depreciation also we are going to show. Okay, clear? And on the time of making the closing balance sheet, some very important point. On the time of making the closing balance sheet, we are going to take all the assets which is given in the outside of balance sheet. Outside of balance sheet. Okay, beta? Outside of balance sheet. Clear? Clear? Because these all assets is relate with the last year. These all assets is relate the last year. Then all assets we are going to show, and then difference amount is like a capital fund. Then that capital fund we are taking in new balance sheet or showing closing balance sheet, add the surplus, and then other liability we are going to show. Okay, beta? Next, if in that question, on the time of solving that question, if some equipment or goods or material is given, so then any type of material is given to add during expense on during the year. Expense on during the year and opening stock, okay, and less closing stock, okay. Add opening stock and less closing stock. Clear? Add the opening stock and less the closing stock. Clear, beta? After that, these all things we are going to utilize in our questions. Okay? I like to repeat these all again because it's a revision. So just see the careful all the things. I think you will know about the what is the non-from-profit organization. Not-from-profit organization is organization which is making or creating for the social welfare or work in society, that is not creating for the working or as a business, or not create for the getting the profit or taking the profit or earning the profit. Okay, that is called non-from-profit organization. This type of organization especially work for the social welfare. They are not going to make the trading PL or trading PL. They are going to make separate type of accounting. They are utilize the different separate type of accounting. In that accounting, they are making the receipts and payment account, and that receipts and payment account same like a cash book. All type of receipt we are entered in the receipt column of receipts and payment account. All type of expense we are going to written in payment column. Opening balance and closing balance same like a cash book in the receipts and payment account. But this receipts and payment account, making of receipts and payment account not in your syllabus. In your syllabus, income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account is same like a PL account, as like you are going to make the PL account. Same we are going to make this income and expenditure account. Okay, beta. On the time of making this income and expenditure account, four things is very important. Don't take any type of balance of receipts and payment account. Only current year data we are going to take. All adjustment utilized. Only revenue, expense and income. Okay, beta. Only revenue, expense and income will showing in a income and expenditure account. Okay, when after that, if credit balance is more than debit balance, then surplus on debit side. If debit balance more than credit balance, then deficiency of that side. After that, we are going to make the opening balance sheet. Okay, beta, opening balance sheet. In this opening balance sheet, we are just showing the all assets and relate with the last year on asset side, and all liability which is related with the last year on liability side. Then take the difference, and that difference is called capital fund. After the calculating of this capital fund, we are going to make the closing balance sheet. Okay, beta, closing balance sheet. In this closing balance sheet, first we are going to show the capital fund, add surplus, if deficiency then less, then we are going to show the all liabilities, and asset side all assets. On this way we are presenting all the data in income and expenditure account. Some more point is there, as like a special fund. If any special fund is given, then fund we are going to show in balance sheet, and less the expense which is related with that fund, and add the income which is related with that fund. It means if special fund is given in your question, then all the expense which is related with the fund, that will showing in where? In balance sheet. Okay, beta, and less from that fund only. And if income you are earning any income, so less that income also. Okay, clear? As like a donation, two type of donation. If general simple donation is there, then that donation we are showing in income and expenditure account. If special donation is there, then we are showing that special donation in balance sheet. Okay. Then expense or income, any type of adjustment. If any expense or income is given, then outstanding current year add, outstanding last year less. Advance current year less, advance last year add. Okay. Same way, if any type of stock is there, then opening stock will add and closing stock will less. Okay beta, opening stock add and closing stock less. By the using of these all things, you can easily solve the question of income and expenditure account. Okay beta, clear? This is the income and expenditure account. This is the full revision of income and expenditure account. Okay, clear? Okay, thank you.